Hello, this is Nico, and the question of the day today is, why does my 911 start slow? Like I put the key in, I turn the starter motor on, and the car goes, and it just takes it's a very labored start. I'm gonna show you why the car has a labored start. So this is an 07 911s. There's a couple things that we're doing with these cars now. So this is the cable that runs on the underneath the car. This is the connector that goes up to the alternator and the starter. This is the cable, this is the connector. So the battery on this car is up in the front. Then we have the rear connection point in the back right here near the transmission. It runs right here. So it comes from the front of the car all the way to the back right here. It gets connected up right here. And from here around the transmission, it goes up to the starter and the alternator up through that way, through the intake manifold and all that. The problem with this, so this is the old one that we just removed from this car. The new cable's already installed. So I just cut this open, and the problem is within this connector right here. And what we're gonna do, we're just gonna cut this thing open. So, and the thing that I wanna show, there's a couple things. So if you look inside there, the connection, all the wires and everything, they look really good. If you look inside here, they also look really good. The pinch between all this strand of cable wire to this lead crimp, and then it gives bad voltage to the engine compartment, alternator, and starter motor. We're also finding at the same time is once we repair that voltage drop, we replace the cable. Usually it fixes the car completely. It's like maybe 60% of the time. 40% of the time, it needs a new starter. At that point, while the cable is being replaced, to do a new starter motor we don't charge any labor to do it at the same time, because it's really easy to access the starter during that repair. So this one, and we found a really good deal on starters. Instead of spending $1,600 for a Porsche one, we can get a new Bosch starter for way less money. So this car got a new starter and it got a new cable installed. Okay, so right now what we're gonna do is we're gonna crank this car over. So that's how fast, I don't know, this car is kind of starting up really fast right now. So you can't hear the starter labor too much, but the starter is spinning up so fast, the engine can actually start faster now. So the cable and the starter fix this thing perfectly. So this is a confirmed fix. So this car is getting an interstate battery. We sell these batteries, we warranty these batteries nationwide. So they're the best batteries around. Thanks for watching. Subscribe for more videos like this.